You're watching How Leap. Let's hide WhatsApp on your iPhone. You can hide the app icon from your home screen. Press and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the apps jiggle. Tap the dots at the bottom of the screen to enter page edit mode. Uncheck the page that contains the WhatsApp icon, then tap Done. This hides the entire page. To hide the app using screen time, go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn it on, tap Allowed Apps, and toggle off WhatsApp. This makes the app disappear from your home screen. To access it, you must turn the toggle back on. You can also move WhatsApp to your app library by dragging its icon to the right past your last home screen page. It will be hidden from the home screen but remain in the app library. For more thorough hiding, use the built-in Hide App feature in newer iOS versions by pressing and holding the app icon and selecting Remove App, then move to App Library. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.